want some lemonade? That's Daddy. Coffee.
Coffee cup. Daddy, coffee
Wipe
cup.
your nose.
Daddy, coffee cup. I want my red bucket. Oh, it's in the room.
I'm gonna have to give her some cough medicine.
Cough medicine.
She's coughing. Michael, I don't know, he almost sounds like he's getting congested. He may need something too, but he sounds congested up.
No. Sophia Kaylee. No. You're saying no, baby? Feeling better, Sophia?
Yeah, she must be.
You're playing now, like yesterday. No play.
Baby, something about making one soft whippy.
Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today's it's an Washington. This is so much fun. Let's go.
Let's go.
I want to work on cooking.
Okay.
What Dora, honey? Huh? Put Dora on. Oh, it's already in there. There we go. You want to
That's it.
All down.
More na. More.
All down. All down.
Thank you, baby. Careful.
Why?
Why?
Washing their stuff to drink. Where's their water glass?
Hoy, hoy. Uy. Sama dia ay.
Mama, ice cream.
What you making?
Ice cream for you. Oh, Mama. Oh, no, this way.
It's okay, Kaylee.
And if you use the same spoon, you're gonna get Dion sick now.
What happened to your mouth? Why it's bleeding?
I don't know.
Ian, come here, Ian.
Why? I will do 3 scoops of ice cream. I will do 3 ice creams. I got my ice cream.
They keep giving her water, help break that congestion up.
Dian. Dian!
Why?
Back and head out the door, because when you're with Dora, it's time to explore. You can join Dora and Boots with these favorite Dora the Explorer titles now on DVD. Let's go! How about your friends in the Shy Rainbow? We're here to look for rainbows. Learn new songs to sing in musical school days. My music teacher always sings this special song. Ready for more Wayne Great playdates in these and other Blues Room titles now on DVD and VHS.
What your face?
It will be a ice cream, Mama.
Dora. Dion. Are you gonna watch Dora? Oh, wait.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, Dion. I didn't watch Dora. Wipe your face. Hold on. Wipe your face. Hold on. Watch Dora. Watch Dora.
I'm going to wear dry, Mama.
And I'm Boots.
No! Don't touch it!
Michael, don't yell at her. Listen without yelling. Yell at her.
No. No. Don't climb in the chair. Don't climb in any chair. And I will make a spoon, Mama.
Mouth. Nose.
Don't pick it in those.
Don't pick the nose.
No.
Nose. What's that, Michael?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need to put a spoon. Door. Closing the door.
Closing the door. Door. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Good job. Mouth. Where's Sophia's mouth? Mouth. Ears. There's the nose. Where's the nose? Good job, Bob. Lipstick.
Too long.
But